If you're getting an openart download error or your image and video downloads are stuck, failing, or doing nothing when you click the download button, this video will show you several quick fixes that usually solve the problem. We'll start with a forced browser refresh, then try downloading to your desktop, regenerate the file if the server link is stuck. And finally test openart in incognito mode to check whether a browser extension is causing the issue. If this guide helps you fix the problem, please tap the like button and subscribe for more openart and AI software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open openart and navigate to the image or video you're trying to download. Before changing any settings, click anywhere on the openart canvas so the browser window is active. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This performs a hard refresh and forces the browser to reload the page instead of using an older cached version. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift and R together. Wait patiently while openart fully reloads. Depending on your connection and the size of your media library, this may take a few seconds. Once the page has finished loading, locate the file again and click Download. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose Desktop as the destination instead of the Downloads folder. This is important because permission locks, browser settings, security software, or a full Downloads folder can sometimes prevent openart from saving the file correctly. After selecting Desktop, confirm the download and check whether the file appears there. If the download works after the hard refresh, the problem was most likely caused by a temporary page or cache issue. If the download still fails, the file path or server link may be stuck. In that case, the next solution is to regenerate the media. Open your openart history and locate the image or video that will not download. Recreate or regenerate it using the same prompt and settings if needed. Then wait until the new generation has completely finished. Do not click download while the generation is still processing because the file may not yet have a complete server link. When the new version is ready, open it and try the download button again. Regenerating the file creates a fresh server path which can fix problems with an expired, incomplete, or temporarily unavailable download link. If the new file downloads successfully, the original generation was probably stuck rather than your browser or openart account being the problem. If neither of those methods works, the final option is to isolate your browser extensions. Extensions such as ad blockers, privacy tools, download managers, script blockers, and antivirus browser add-ons can sometimes block the download script that openart needs. To test this, open a new Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On a Mac, use the equivalent private browsing shortcut in your browser. You can also open the browser menu and choose New Incognito window. In the Incognito window, log in to your openart account. Then go to Assets and open the Media section. Find the image or video that you want to save, click the file, and then click Download. If the download works in incognito mode, that strongly suggests one of your regular browser extensions is interfering with openart. Return to your normal browser, temporarily disable extensions one at a time, and test the download after each change. Start with ad blockers and privacy extensions, since these are common causes of blocked scripts. Once you identify the extension, you can whitelist openart or leave that extension disabled on the site. You can also try checking your browser's download permissions, making sure you have enough free storage, and confirming that your internet connection is stable. However, the three main fixes in this guide are a forced browser reset, regenerating the stuck file, and testing openart without extensions. These steps help identify whether the problem is caused by cached page data, an expired file link, or a browser add-on. So, to quickly recap, click the openart canvas and press Ctrl F5 on Windows or Command Shift R on Mac. Choose Desktop when selecting the download destination. If the file remains stuck, find it in your history, regenerate it, wait for the new version to finish, and download the fresh file. If that still does not work, open incognito mode, log into openart, go to Assets, then Media, and try the download there. If it works privately, disable or whitelist the extension causing the conflict. And that's how to fix the openart download error. If this tutorial helped you download your image or video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tool tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.